Okay.
No, okay.
What?
Oh yeah.
I just saw my first video on Wednesday. Oh my god. Whoa!
Watch your feet from the helmet, this guy.
I know. I'm not gonna kick it.
I know, I'm just...
Don't put it down there. Don't break that front part off that helmet. Don't leave it on
No,
there.
I'm not.
Don't break. Oh my god.
Careful, it's from vintage here. You can't fucking get out of the snow.
Oh my god. That's how I felt earlier. I was on my sled and I was like hitting every bump. I'm like, don't be. Don't hit that tank.
I was gonna say, don't hit that fucking stake back here neither.
I found a buoy. Hey, there was a mouse running on top of the snow does and they tried to kill it. A guy tried to run his sled over it. Yeah. I watched them. They were pointing it out and chasing it. Poor mouse. Oh my god. Jesus Christ.
Tire.
Tire? What about the tire? Don't lean on that tire.
I'm leaning on the back.
You're breaking it. It smells like milky during springtime snow. Yeah. Springtime snow. Oh my goodness. Milky during springtime snow. Come on, hot. There it goes.
Good?